What's going on, everybody? It's Robert again. I recently bought these Cougar motor LED headlights to replace my low beams and my high beams on my 240SX. I got like your middle ground Sylvanias. I think you can get them at Walmart for like 20 bucks. I've always complained that they weren't bright enough, and I was kind of worried about driving this at night. Living in Iowa, there's deer and other animals on the road constantly, and the last thing I want to do is hit anything. So I finally splurged and bought some more expensive headlights. These are, like I said, LEDs. I spent about 93 bucks, which is about the same price as the Sylvania ZXE high-end imitation HID halogens that they sell. So we're gonna see what a $100 set of LED headlights look like. On the 240, I use the H4 for the low beams and the 9005 or the HB3s for the high beams. These are supposed to be 200% brighter than what I have on there. We are gonna see if they are actually brighter and if I wasted my money. But we're also going to see if these will fit. They're quite a bit longer, obviously, because they have the as they call it, a turbo fan, which is ridiculous. But they have a fan, and these should bolt right in, or bolt. These should plug right in and be an exact replacement of what I already have, just twice as bright. So we'll take a look here. I'll do some comparisons, and then let you make your decision for yourself if LEDs are actually the way to go. All right, so here's the halogen lights that I currently have. Not super bright. Here's the brights. And here are the LEDs. You can faintly hear the cooling fan. Sounds like a little radiator fan almost, or electric cooling fan. It's kind of funny to hear with just your headlights on and the engine's not running. One noticeable thing for sure is that the light is much whiter. It's brighter and whiter, whereas the amber from the halogens was a little bit more noticeable. It's probably not going to come through on video, but it's definitely a whiter color. And then here are your high beams. And that's a pretty obvious difference. The entire shop's pretty well lit up compared to the halogens, which were not near as bright. Well, that was my comparison video showing the standard Sylvania halogen headlights to these new Cougar motor LEDs. I'll let you be the judge for yourself on if that's LEDs are the way to go for your car. I have no affiliation with Cougar motor. I really don't care if you buy them or not. I just wanted to compare the difference between what I had and what I have now. I also want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch this channel and this video. And if you like it, definitely check out all the other ones, see what the other stuff the other guys are up to, and definitely check out the podcast. Shoot us a message, give us a thumbs up if you like it. We want to know what you like and don't like. We're trying to tailor this channel to get more of what you guys want to see. So definitely hit us up, let us know. Thanks.